A great warrior did not return from the hunt. His family gave him up for dead, all except his youngest child, who each day would ask, "Where is my father? Where is my father?" The child's older brothers, who were magicians, finally went forth to find him. They came upon his broken spear in a pile of bones. The first son assembled the bones into a skeleton. The second son put flesh upon the bones. The third son breathed life into the flesh. The warrior arose and walked into the village where there was a great celebration. He said, "I will give a fine gift to the one who has brought me back to life." Each one of his sons cried out, "Give it to me, for I have done the most." "I will give the gift to my youngest child," said the warrior, "for it is this child who saved my life. A man is never truly dead until he is forgotten." Immediate recall.
The little boy each day cried. All the sons went to the father and then said, "I did the best thing of all." But they didn't get the gift, and then they said, "I know who would get it, the youngest son."
Recalling the story one day later.
The boy didn't return from the dead, and the third one breathed flesh onto the skeleton. The boy didn't give the gift to anyone.
Recalling the story 3 days later.
The Native American hunted. The three boys all went to their dad and said, "I did the best thing in the world." But the dad said no, so they went because a little boy did something for him.